You guys, silverGameOfThrones here. Short video unboxing silver. Welcome back to my no channel. So, such video not taking much attention. I know. You are liking to see Litecoin to the moon, DiMartino to the moon. So I'm giving, I'm interested to show you blockchain, the blockchain education, the proof of work coins. But, from time to time, I also show you my silver journey, okay? So my education is all the same. My channel is unique. Not many channels when you see crypto and when you see gold and silver. I try to educate you about my journey. And when I'm doing this, I'm sharing with you. I'm sharing with you a lot of things. So this is one of them. This is package from Bolt. I'm a little bit disappointed from Bolt. Okay, I will tell you the story. So recently, this is what my order. I bought the Unity 1 ounce silver round. I bought 10 of them because they were cheap, like 26 bucks, and I was thinking, like, let's get 10 of them. I like this Unity. I know they are selling well, and I like the design. But they say you don't have, you want to exchange. I say, yeah, why not? We have GameStone, okay, we can exchange for you. I said, okay, exchange. Okay, done, we are going to exchange. And then, after some time, I got email that you got a refund and some credit, I said, okay, you said that you're going to exchange, and then you said refund. And they say, oh, we apologize, we give you credit, la la la, tra la la, right? So I don't know what to say. It doesn't smell good, You make mistakes, then you honor your mistakes. Who cares? But they refund me. Anyway, so here we go. This is what we got today. $130 for coins. So we got GameStone, we got a Bhutan, Lunar, a Year of the Ox. I think I have one. I don't know why I bought another one. Very strange. I got a Shipwreck 2021, Shipwreck New, this triangle coin, and I got this most Dangerouse. Wow, this is I like. I think I have two of them. We are going to check today. Desert Scorpion. Okay, so that's like fulfill my collection. Okay, so voila. As usual, I have no complaints about Bolt. I think they have one of the best packaging, okay? But as I say, they a little bit messed up and they didn't fix it right, okay? So, the life is not always, the sunny days. So, just be aware that it can be rainy days. Okay, here we go. Very good packaging. Okay, Luna. No, this is Bhutan. And this one, I don't know if I have one. 2021. I think I don't have it. Shipwreck. Civic Triangular Silver. And this one, this is what I like the most. The Desert Scorpion. Patient guys, okay? So we're going to do it para, like we say in Hebrew, the step by step, okay? The step by step, okay? I am coming soon. Okay, so here are my capsules. I'm using this airtight holder. As I told you one time, I complained to Gem Bullion about a lot of, I receive a lot of cracked bad packaging, a lot of cracked air capsule, what they call it, air holders, airtight holders, and they send me bunch, like exchange, okay? So yeah, probably 50 of them. Sometimes, you know, just don't hesitate to complain, and they, you know, they fix it for good. Wow, that's a nice round. That's a very nice round. Let's look close on it. GameStone. Are you on a silver Wall Street silver, guys? I'm always there. Buy high, sell higher. HODL. It's like a crypto. This is a crypto, guys. HODL. Why? Rocket. GSME, SSLV, to the moon. Bulls, you know. I like these guys. And I always watch this, you know, the videos, you know, with all this, you know, Wall Street silver, you know. I like this, you know, when they're talking about this. You know, where is the silver price when it go to the moon? I really don't care. For me, it's money. I store my money on a long run, okay? So when I have cash, I put it here. You know, it's much safe to keep cash in silver than keep cash in bank. So that's what I do, okay? And I do it in a fun way of stocking premium silver, or stocking some, you know, some nice looking silver, you know. Because when you're gonna sell, you go to shop and, you know, you sell someone. I prefer sell, you know, peer-to-peer transaction. Sometimes I'm doing also on my YouTube channel, I'm doing sales, you know. I stopped doing it, I don't know why. I probably will start it again. Well, silver price will wake up because it's too low, silver price. So when silver price go up, I will probably start it again. Very nice route, very nice premium route. The price is around $30, very cool. I like it. Okay, so next, let's look into this Bhutan. You know, when they started this collection, the quality was not good. I remember first year, 16, 17, they have a lot of milk spots. Now it's just excellent quality. I see no problema. I see no problem with them. So where is my coin? This is the stock. Sorry, yeah. I messed up again. I have too many, guys. So I have, here we go. We have 2020, we have 2018, year of the dog. We have 2019, year of the boar. We have 2020, year of the rat, right? Of the rat, or rat. And we have 2021, year of the ox. Okay, so yeah, I just bought another one. Messed up, I don't know, but man, it's beautiful. This is really beautiful. This ox is something. Very cool coin. Right? It has denomination now, or it is around? No, it's, yes, it's new 2000, yeah, 1 ounce silver. It's some denomination here. Very cool, guys. I don't know if you don't collect it, you know, look into this. They, how many? I think 250,000? I don't remember, but the quantity was huge for first year. But last year I saw like 50-60,000, okay? So be aware, you know. I think I sold one for $50. I don't remember which one. I think this one on eBay, year of the red. Yeah, so go on eBay and check. I'm also selling from time to time on eBay on different platforms, you know, what are my excessive silver. I'm not touching core, but you know, it's a game of silver, Game of Thrones, you know. I'm Game of Thrones, so I play my games, okay? Okay, so Bhutan collection, guys, it's very nice, very beautiful, and I think you will appreciate when you have it, okay? This is very nice collection. The quantity is big, but you don't pay. You pay $30, which is okay. Okay, so probably one I will need to resell, but I like it, so I'll keep it. We'll see what is the next, okay? So, next one, going to talk about this shipwreck. Okay, what is my shipwreck? Maybe I messed up again. Okay, this is my shipwrecks, okay? I need to make an order, what I have, what I don't have. I have a bunch of them, that's also kind of collection, right? So let's see what I have. Okay, so this one, Batavia. But is there a year here? There is no year here, right? Batavia, okay. So I have Batavia. What I have else? $1. Okay. Oh, you need to do like this, right? $1. Turn it. Oh, this is a DORP. 1712. Okay, there is a year here. No, there is no year on this rectangular coin. Yeah, why they don't make a year? Maybe there is a year, I don't know. But I don't see really a year. Okay, so this is the second one. Definitely different one. Should be a year, but I don't see. Zevik. Oh, this one Zevik. Okay, this is probably which I bought right now. Zevik. Okay, this one which I bought. 2021. Okay, Zevik. Okay, what is this one? Ah, Wergold Drake. 1656. Wergold Drake. Okay, one more. And this one, oh, it has a Zervik. So I have two of them or what? I messed up again. But it's okay. Okay, yeah, 1727. It's a 1727. So I have two of them, yeah. Zervik. Okay, too many. I'm not concentrated last days, you know. Maybe my crypto influenced me. And I traded my silver slide. I have the silver slides. Yeah, I have the silver slides. So I traded my silver slide on one of these coins. Yeah, so if you want to trade, you know, ask me. That's a silver slide. It's a wood, metal, magnets, everything here. Piece of art, okay? Piece of art. That's my hobby. Okay, silver verification, you know. Yeah, and this is like yeah, one. Which one I have? I traded it, but I don't remember. Ah, also Batavia. Yeah, that's cool. Let's look even better, you know. Let's look even better. $1. Okay. So this is what I have. Okay, and the last one, what they call it, Dangerouse, Australia. First of all, this is Australia, right? This is Australia, which means it is. Australia legend. I'm not sure. 25,000 only. Okay, and this is a desert Scorpio. So guys, if you collected it, you're supposed to know that there are a couple of coins in this collection. Okay, and here we are. Very rare collection, I can tell you. Okay, not many people even knows when it started. Okay, the shark, the spider. I think this is, yeah, great white shark. This is number 3 already. Okay, this is number 3. It doesn't say, but the Dangerous, it doesn't say Australia most dangerous, right? So this was the first one. When they came with this one, no one knows what is this. It will be collection or not. Probably they didn't know. 2020, right? This one, which year? Oh, 2021. Yes, this is 2000. This was the second one. The great white shark, right? Shark, and this is 2021, I believe, right? 2021, right? And this is the third coin in this collection. So that's why I like this collection. You know, they are very valuable, guys. This collection are very valuable. Okay, so if you see collection, you never stack one coin only. You must to get collection. Okay, the value is in collection. There is no value in one coin only, okay? Just be aware. There is always value is in collection. This is Scorpion, and this ugly is the bad first, but all of you all know, okay? So that's a cool collection, okay? Let me make it straight. Let me make it straight. Okay, a little bit bigger. So I make a name for this, okay, of my video, okay? So I hope you enjoy, guys. Some refreshment for you, okay, after boring, you know, this metal voice with crypto education. You know, from time to time I have a real voice, you know, but I hope you enjoy. And if you enjoy, I want to know your comments, what you guys stack, what you guys collect. Is it a sound decent collection for you? I think this is a very cool collection. Man, you need to see this is Scorpion in person, I'm telling you. That guy is very cool looking. Look on this sun. Very good quality. Sparking eyes. Very good quality. Very good quality. Okay. Purse mint, I don't know which mint, I need to check, but Australia cannot go wrong with Australian mint, I'm telling you, okay? This coin will be golden, you will be golden, you know, keeping this coin going forward, I'm telling you. Okay, silverGameOfThrone was with you, enough of this BS, right? You know, we want some crypto, Shiba to the moon, garbage to the moon. No one interesting in silver, but time will come, guys. Time will come. All the best, guys. If you like, subscribe, hit notification. Don't forget about your comments. Love you all. Bye bye.